Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing good as I am also doing good. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to your own YouTube channel Karma and Destiny. So, today we are going to talk upon a topic which is very important. That is the retrograde planets. There are so many theories about retrograde planets. What is a retrograde planet? They are very specific in the chart. They are Cheshtabali, right? Someone say the planet goes backward, but in my point of view, planet never goes retrograde. And I said it, planet never goes retrograde. Let me know how can I say this, right? Let me know before going to our topic. I just want to do a request to you. If you have come first time on this channel, I request you to please subscribe this channel. I need your support, and also press the bell icon with the all icon so that you can get all my videos on time when as soon as possible when I uploaded the videos. So it can give you knowledge, real knowledge. This is my motive to give you real knowledge, right? So to spread the religion or real knowledge to the viewers. So we are talking about retrograde planets. I'm not saying that I am the one who says, but in my point of view, I am the first person who is saying that the planet never goes retrograde. Why? Why I'm saying this? Let me tell one thing. Have you ever seen any person, any creature in the world who moves backward? Have you moved backward anytime? No. Either you run back facing to the, if you have to run backward, right, then your face is going to backward because you are running. Some from front you see something wrong and you start running behind, but your face is backward. You are not move backward like this. Until and unless there are a situation in front of you which is not considered good, till then you will not move back, right? You will move always forward. Any creature, let me know any creature in the world who moves backward. No one. Then let me know how a planet can move backward. Who control 9 planets? Controls every event, every moment of this earth. They controlled by the 9 planets. How can they move backward? It is not awkward. Do you think? It is very awkward. Some people say when sun goes, like from Saturn, Mars and Jupiter, they are the outer planets. When sun goes 5th to 6th, 7th house next to that planet goes retrograde. And some people say they go out of their path so that they go retrograde to achieve that path again. So theory, I am not agree with this theory. There is something else, but I am not sure what will be the reason. But here I will like to tell you, if you have retrograde planets, people says that there are few planets who have special aspects, right? Like Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu. But in some, by some astrologers, they don't take the aspect of Rahu Ketu because they are shadow planet. They catch the effect, they grab the effect, right? They take the effect, aspect, but cannot aspect. Some people say this. But this is a subject of controversy. This is a very controversial subject. Discussion should be there. But I am telling you, Mars has the aspect of 4, 7, and 8. Saturn has the aspect of 3rd, 7th, and 11th. 7th is the common aspect. Except that there are 2 aspects, special aspects. Mars has 4 and 8. Saturn has 3rd and 10th. And Jupiter has 5th and 9th. So when a planet got retrograde in your chart, if you already have a planet retrograde in your chart, suppose Saturn is retrograde in your chart, right? So now what happens is Saturn has 2 special aspects, 3rd and 10th. Let's say Saturn got retrograde in the 10th house, in the sign of Sagittarius, right? Now what will you say? Saturn will aspect the 12th house and the 7th house, right? But what I am saying, you have to check it. In my point of view, I have tested it on many charts. When Saturn is retrograde in the Sagittarius sign in 10th house, it will also, if it is retrograde coming back, it will aspect the 8th house with the third aspect and the Lagna with the 10th aspect. Also, it will aspect the 12th and the 10th house, but its special aspect will be very influential aspect will be on the 8th and the Lagna. If you have Saturn retrograde in your 10th house or anywhere placed in your chart, you can check it yourself. Third aspect is asking for you very hard work. You will get it, but after very hard work. 10th aspect is your karma, your profession, like you have to supposed to do. Like in the case of Mars, suppose Mars has retrograde in the third house, right? So what is the common aspect of Mars given by the astrologers, given by the you can say our Vedas, right, or scriptures? Fourth aspect from third will Mars will throw its fourth aspect on the sixth house and the eighth aspect on the 10th house. This is a common factor, But if I say you Mars will aspect the 7th house with the 8th aspect, reverse aspect, and the 12th house with the 4th aspect. So how will be your relationship, your sexual union, your partnership, your bedroom life, right? How many times you go to hospital, right? How is your sleep? You can check it. Wherever Mars is placed in your chart. Now we will talk about Jupiter, right? Jupiter is a very good planet, beneficial planet. It's a guru, saint planet who gives you blessing always. Now if Jupiter got retrograde, what happened right now? Jupiter also has special aspect of 5th and 9th, right? So here the story will be same, but the result of the aspect will got change. Now if Jupiter have, let's say Jupiter in the 4th house go to retrograde, its 5th aspect go in the 8th house and 9th aspect go in the 12th house, right? The 5th aspect is also the blessing, 9th house is also the blessing, but the difference is different in the both aspect is there. 5th aspect gives you knowledge, creation. 9th aspect gives you religion, boss, guru, like this one, luck. But when Jupiter goes retrograde, the aspect which is falling on the 5th house in the 8th house is the 5th aspect. It will become the 9th aspect. And the aspect which is falling on the 12th house, it will become the 5th aspect. Which 5th aspect can do? It will happen in the 12th house. Which 9th aspect will do? It will happen in the 8th house. If you have a Jupiter retrograde in your chart, you can check it. I have checked it many times. Right. A person have Jupiter in the 12th house retrograde. Now from the 5th house is from this the 5th house will be 4th house and 9th house will be the 8th house, right? So he should get her inheritance, blessing of his father, right? And 4th house, a very happy domestic peace home in the house. This person has reverse of it, right? Sun is the 5th lord sitting in the 8th house with the Mercury. If I put 5th aspect on the 8th house, his sun goes somewhere through an agent and got trapped over there. But he come back safely with some kind of harassment. Eighth house is harassment. And fifth aspect of, as I told you, the aspect of children. Fifth house of children. Knowledge. Like that you can say. And the ninth aspect goes on fourth house. In return, after the transformation is facing a very hard transformation, he come back to home. Long travel, fourth house. Ninth aspect. Like this. You can check it. You can check it. It will tell you the whole story. Like in Obama chart, the 6 is he has Jupiter in the Lagna, right, in the Capricorn sign. So it will come the second house in the Taurus sign in the fifth house, and Virgo sign in the you meant to say in the ninth house, right? So before he become the president, he should fight for election, win the election. So Virgo is in the ninth house, right? So Jupiter, retrograde Jupiter, fall his fifth aspect on the ninth house on the Virgo sign. He win the election from his enemies, right, and come in the power, which is the ninth house of power. Retrograde Jupiter. Do something good in his country for the finance related issues like that, right? So you can check it. How can you become president if the ninth aspect is falling on the fifth house? After defeating his enemies, he come into the power, fifth house of the power. Defeating whom? Ninth house, the political people on his own level, who was on his own level, on the level of Obama. So likewise you can check, and I hope no one has this secret ever. And I am very happy that God has given me this. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a very good day. God bless you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.